Hello everyone, welcome back to today's episode of Logging It. Today in this video I will be showing you how you can sign up or register for your account in Bumble. Now to begin with, you first need to install the application on your mobile device. For that, go to Google Play Store, tap on search bar, type in Bumble, tap search. You can see on the very top the Bumble application. You tap install. After the installation process is completed, you tap open the app. There are two ways to sign up for a Bumble account, that is continue with Facebook and use cell phone number. If you tap on continue with Facebook, your Bumble account will be registered through your Facebook details and it will get linked with each other. But for this video, we will go through the process of using cell number. You tap on use cell phone number. Now here you need to provide your phone number. First of all, you need to choose the country code. Then you type in your number. Once it's done, you tap on the next arrow. The number you have provided need to be verified at first. So tap on OK. Now they will send you a code to the number that you have provided. Once you receive that code, you copy that code and it will get logged in. Here you can see enable location services. You can either enable the location or you can just tap on not now. Here you need to provide your first name. Type in your first name. Tap on next. Add your first photo. You can choose a photo or you can even add it from the Facebook. I'm going to tap on choose a photo. Here to upload a photo as well, you can choose from the Facebook, Instagram or even your photo gallery. I'm going to tap on camera roll. I have chosen my picture for the account. Tap on add this photo. You can even add more photos over here, but I'm just going to provide the first one and tap on next. Now provide your date of birth. Tap on next. You need to provide the correct age for your account as you cannot change it later on. So I'm just going to tap on confirm. Here you basically tap on your gender. Tap next. Choose a mode to get started. You can choose any mode as you find it appropriate. I'm just going to go with the default, that is date, and tap on next. Who are you interested? As this is one of the dating website, here you choose the option which you are interested in. Then tap on next. What's your email address? You need to provide an email address as well, just in case if you ever need to recover your account. You can either skip this process. You can see there's skip option on the left side. I'm just going to skip it. Tap on got it, and I agree. Allow Bumble to access this device location. You can allow on this one. Here you need to provide your profile picture. For that, tap on add a photo. You can choose from Facebook, Instagram and even your photo gallery. I'm going to tap on camera roll. Allow. I have chosen my picture for the account. Tap on add and there you can see you have created your account for Bumble. Hope this video was useful to you on how you can create your account for Bumble. Please like and subscribe the Login It channel and do click on the bell icon for the notification and updates on videos. Thank you.